Hey there, and welcome to our review of the Kebidu Bluetooth 5.0 Car Kit Wireless MP3 Decoder Board. If you're tired of the limited music options in your car, or just want to upgrade your driving experience, then this product is definitely for you. Just imagine being able to connect your USB flash drive or TF memory card to your car's audio system, giving you access to all of your favorite tunes at the touch of a button. With the FM frequency range of 76 MHz 108 MHz, you can also tune into your favorite radio stations with ease. This decoder board also features a convenient LED color screen, making it easy to navigate and control your music while on the go. And with the addition of an infrared receiving module, you can use the included remote control to effortlessly manage your audio experience without taking your hands off the wheel. Not only does this Bluetooth car kit offer a range of music input options, but it also boasts lossless audio quality, ensuring that you enjoy every note and beat in crystal clear sound. So why wait any longer to revolutionize your car's audio system? With the Kebidu Bluetooth 5.0 Car Kit Wireless MP3 Decoder Board, you can take control of your music and elevate your driving experience to the next level. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Click the link in the description to purchase your own Kebidu Bluetooth 5.0 Car Kit Wireless MP3 Decoder Board today. You won't regret it.